Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to keep words in alphabetical order. Let's start the video. First, open your Google Doc. Here you can see. And what we have to do, just go on extensions and here add-ons, click on add-ons, get add-ons. Now here search for sorted paragraph. Here you can see the extension sorted paragraph. Click on install, click on continue. Now here choose your Gmail ID, click on continue, allow. Let the installation be done. Now here you can see this is installed on my extension tab. Now click on done, close this. Now what you have to do, just select the text. Now go on extensions. Now you can see a sorted paragraph. You can see here sort A to Z or Z to A. I have to do A to Z. Click on A to Z. Now it's working. Now you can see here all the elements are in alphabetical order: cat, dog, lion, monkey, panther, tiger, zebra. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.